my YouTube channel. Today's video is how to make iced lemon tea at home, just like the Lipton's one. So if you like the Lipton iced tea but want to make it at home instead of spending all the money and going out and getting one, then please keep watching. So what you're going to need is obviously hot water, a jug or a bowl or anything to put your lemons in, some sugar, a glass or any cup you like, or you can put it in a jug or one of those cocktail jugs or anything, a tea bag, a knife, a spoon, a chopping board and a lemon. I just want to say it now, kids at home, do not do this. Get an adult to do it for you because of the very sharp knife. So get an adult to do it for you, but other than that, let's get showing you what to do. You can see I've got everything all laid out here for you so you can see what's going on. So first things first, before we put the kettle on, because it's going to make a little noise, so before we get the kettle on, we need to prepare everything. So with your glass, what you're going to do is just get your sugar, and obviously I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar into my glass, just like you would do as a normal cup of tea. So you've got some sugar in your glass, as you can see, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tea bag in my glass, just like that, so that bit's been prepared. So for the lemon, so what you're going to do is I'm going to bring the camera down for you so you guys can see. There you go. Oh, the camera falling on me. So what you're going to do is obviously cut the lemon in half, like so. So it's in half. Obviously, kids, if you're going to do this, get an adult to do it for you because of the very sharp knife. And then I'm just going to grab my jug, and with 1/2 of the lemon, obviously as you can see it's cut in half, and I'm just going to squeeze the juice into this jug. So squeeze as much as you can, and obviously any pips like that, you just get out. But just squeeze as much as you can of this lemon into the jug. Just squeeze as much as you can. If you can't do it, then get someone who's strong who can do it for you. But squeeze as much of the lemon as you can so you can get quite a bit of juice from the lemon. You get it all over you as well. You get it all over your hands and everything. So what I'm going to do is just squeeze the other one and then get the pops out, get the pips out. So I'm just going to squeeze the other one. And it does spit everywhere as well, so please be careful. And with this kind of drink, you don't need that much lemon anyway. So that is all of my lemon juice out, all squeezed. So I'm just going to get all the pips out, because you don't want to drink them. So just get all these pips out. Before you can carry on. It's so easy and so simple. It's not hard. Anyone can do it. So, oh, there's just one more left in there. Like I said, they're like the Lipton's drink you can get in supermarkets and stuff, but you got a little bit of lemon juice in there. So what you can do is obviously discard this and get rid of the sugar. So you're just left with your glass and your lemon juice. So what you're going to do now is obviously pop the kettle on. So while the kettle is boiling, you're just going to get rid of everything. Obviously you're going to need your spoon. While the kettle is actually boiling, what I'm going to do is just put everything away. So just put the lemon and the pip away and put the chopping board and the knife in the sink, and I will come back to you once the kettle has done. So the kettle has just been boiled, so what I'm going to do is pour the hot water in my cup, like in my glass, and just let the tea bag work its magic, just like you would do if you're having a normal cup of tea. So what I'm going to do is obviously grab my spoon, just dissolve the sugar, so just stir it around. And just let the tea bag do its magic for a little while. Even if you have to squeeze the tea bag for a little bit, it doesn't take that long to make. It really doesn't. It's the cooling down, it's the process. So if I was you, if you want this in the morning, make this the night before and then stick it in the fridge, and then when you wake up in the morning it's nice and cool for you, ready to drink the next day. So obviously, as you can see, the tea bag is making it like a tea colour. Okay, so I'm just going to dip the tea bag in and out for a little bit, just to give it a bit more colour. Okay, so discard the tea bag, and this is what you're looking like. Okay, and then all you're going to do is your lemon juice, just pour the lemon juice in, and you can see the colour changing. So just give that a good stir. And that's it. Then all you do, so I'll take you with me, all you do is just, let me just open the fridge up. What you do is, once you've done it, pop it in the fridge and done, and wait for it to cool down, and that's as simple as that. That's it. That is how you make an iced lemon tea at home. So it's quick and easy, it's so simple, no need for so many ingredients. If you have the lemons and everything else indoors, then go ahead and make them, because I'm telling you now, it tastes exactly like the Lipton's iced tea you can buy in the supermarkets. I tried it out. I found it actually on the internet, and I just searched it out because I wanted to see if I can make one. So I tried it out the other day, and the first one I made was a bit too sweet because I put some lemon slices in there. But if you like the sweetness of it, then put some lemon slices in your cup once it's finished, once it's cooled down. But if you like it just the way it normally is, then follow the simple steps that I have just shown you, and you will get the Lipton's iced lemon tea, exactly the way you want it. So if you don't have enough money, or you are sick and tired of buying loads and loads of Liptons because you love them so much, you can now do them at home. So the lockdown has now taught you how to cook, how to try new things, and trust me, I am so pleased that I can do these now. So I can have a Starbucks drink whenever I want, and an iced lemon tea at home whenever I want, because I now know I can make them at home. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you do want any of that more of these kind of videos, then please let me know in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section below, not the description box below, in the comment section below. If you want to see any cooking videos or anything like that, then please let me know as well. There's so many ideas that I want to show you guys. I can't wait till the 15th of June when things start reopening, so I can go out shopping and do some hauls for you guys. I cannot wait. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on as well. If you know anyone who likes these kind of videos or be interested, then please come and join my family. I know I've only got a few people, but I'm loving YouTube at the moment. It's a lovely thing to do in my spare time, especially in the lockdown situation. So I'm loving every minute of it. And if you know anyone who loves the Lipton iced tea or Starbucks drinks, and wants to try them at home and can't afford to go out and buy them, then please let them know about my YouTube channel and let them know about this video, because you will not believe how easy and quick it is to make it at home when you can do it at home for free and you don't have to spend any money. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.